Eyo, what's up mga agingging? Yan oh, sa Mongkok nga pala yan guys. Bibili kasi kami ng konting pasalubong. How much? How much your wallet?
These two, 20 each credit.
Okay.
Hong dollar.
Hong Kong dollar? Hong Kong dollar. Your wallet, how much your wallet?
I have no money anymore.
No.
You have no money?
Yeah.
Tomorrow is your flight. How about that?
Back to the Philippines.
Back to reality.
Reality.
Okay. Can I see your wallet?
No wallet?
Yeah. How much?
Okay. I will show you my
Magkano
wallet.
binili mo?
20 each credit.
Dalawa?
Your wallet.
2 each credit.
No.
Tirasi! Oh my God! Al.
I bought 5 and I bought 5 for 50 HKD.
Okay.
1 for 100 na yun.
Mame.
No.
Mame. Mame. Tawag mo.
Paano kaya?
Ma'am, how much the pants?
Over there.
What? No pants.
Long.
150 for 2 or 3? Yeah.
150 for one. Bisigan, 120 for one.
Ah, okay. This one.
130 live for one. Live by 100 for one.
Okay. By 100? By 100?
Lang 100 sabi niya.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, thank you.